Hey guys, how y'all doing? Happy Wednesday. Happy day one in our new schedule we have. Monday was a enrichment kind of optional day. I just want to put that field trip day on there for something fun to do. Hopefully you found some cool place to check out. Originally I was going to use that with VR visors like you put in your eyes and like check stuff out in the school year this year, but it didn't work out. So that's okay. I don't know if you guys are, hopefully, if you're watching this, you saw my note that I want you to watch the instructional video on here every time so I know what we're doing. Please remind your friends and crew to do the exact same thing, okay? So, couple real quick things we'll talk about here. I'm actually adding a thing onto our list here of stuff that's on our list. I'm trying something new today, okay? I'll put a post on here a little bit about open office hours at 11 o'clock today. What this means is that I sent you guys an invite, okay? And in the invite, basically, I would be online, and you can drop in at 11 o'clock anytime you want, 11, 11:45, 11 o'clock at noon. I'll be online, no appointment, no schedule, whatever. Just kind of drop in, hang out for a little bit, ask questions, talk about stuff, talk about world cultures, talk about any issues you have, assignments or questions. I'll be here to help you guys out, okay? Same thing as always. If you need help on anything, want to talk about anything, have any issues, or about anything for that matter, please email me, get in touch with me. I'll do my best to help you all out, okay? So please, guys, when you need help, reach out. We are here as teachers, everybody, to help you guys out, and please make sure you guys do that, all right? So here's what our plan is for the day. We'll start with Stina and Tam with Carl. We're going to do a little Sunni Shiite activity. I'm going to explain that. That's why this video is important. We're going to do a virtual field trip to a mosque, which is a Muslim house of worship. You do a little Ed Puzzle lecture that I did put together, and then you watch a little thing, read a little article called Growing Up Saudi, okay? That's what we're doing. Let's take a look at how it works, all right? In class work, here we go. Let's find our date, April 15, virtual learning. So, cool stuff with Carl. Please click the CNN 10 link here like we've done every other day. Just list what you want, what you watch, what you learn, okay? Hopefully it should take about 10 minutes or so. Here's the Ed Puzzle. I'm breaking down Sunni Shia conflict. So you're going to click on this link right here. So you're take the Ed Puzzle link, all right? This is a CBS News story from a couple years ago, all right? You hit play. It's got a few questions embedded in it. Some are written questions, some are multiple choice you need to answer. Now, the whole thing about Sunni and Shiite is that in Islam, there are two different groups, the Sunnis and the Shiites, okay? Kind of like in Christianity where you have Catholics and Protestants, or Catholics and Lutherans, that kind of thing, okay? Your job is to understand what the difference is between the two and why that difference is there, okay? I'm not looking for a huge thing, but just recognize when I talk about stuff like that on the news or wherever that you get that there are the difference and what those differences are, okay? If you don't get it and it's kind of tough, check in and we'll talk about it, okay, if you need to, okay? That's part 2. Number 3 thing you gotta do, mosque tour. This is short, okay? You're gonna stop your video at 6:19. It should take you about 6-10 minutes to do, okay? There's a worksheet on here. It's 4 questions long. 4, okay? There's a copy made for you, so it'll be up upper right-hand corner of your assignment. Click on this link here to YouTube and watch a little short video. This guy takes you through a mosque in England. It's kind of cool, all right? He takes you through how different parts of a mosque, that kind of stuff are in here. So check it out. It's kind of a cool little short video. Please do the worksheet. Turn that sucker in. Next thing, Ed Puzzle lecture. This is a lecture that I put together for you guys, okay? About Sharia law. Sharia law is quote unquote Islamic law. That's laws that have to follow in some Islamic countries, okay, like Saudi Arabia and Iran, that kind of stuff, all right? Click a link here, watch the lecture. It will record that you did it. It is 5 minutes long, okay? 5 minutes, that's it. Just gotta watch it. That gives you some background you need for the last activity. Last activity is gonna be Growing Up Saudi. So in Growing Up Saudi, last thing here, you got to read, okay, this article. This article is from a few years ago, so it's a little old, but it still makes sense. This author went to Saudi Arabia and talked to teenagers. He wrote one article from the viewpoint of the boys. That's the first couple of pages. The second article from the viewpoint of the girls. I want you to read both, all right? Usually I have the girls read the boys ones, boys read the girls ones, but we're going to read both, okay? You're going to read both. Learn what it's like growing up in a society that utilizes this Islamic-based law and some of the restrictions and gender roles that take place in a country like Saudi Arabia. If you want to, you can check this little video out. Some things have changed since the article was written. One big thing is about women's right to drive. In the article, it explains that women can't drive. Now they can in Saudi Arabia. If you want to check that video out, check the video out, okay? After you read the article and possibly the video as well, click on this Flipgrid link. You've done Flipgrid a couple times now. It seems like you guys are okay with it. I have a prompt on here for you guys. You log into Google. Takes a second. My computer's a little slow. What can I say? There we go. All right. So you're gonna click the plus to make your answer, but you're gonna answer these 3 questions. 1, what surprised you at all while growing up as a teenager? What was kind of like, wow, that really happens kind of thing, okay? How would you describe life for boys and girls in Saudi Arabia? What restrictions and how different does it seem from the United States? And lastly, why do you think change is happening if you watch the video? Why might change happen in these places? You can click the plus and record your video, okay? It's not going to do it for me because I'm using my camera right now to record this video, but that's what you got to do. I know this looks like a lot. It's really not that much stuff, okay? Scene in 10 should be 10 minutes of stuff. The Ed puzzle here should be 6 to 10 minutes. The mosque tour is 6 to 10 minutes. This is 5 minutes. This is about 20, 25 minutes here, okay? It looks like a lot. It's not a lot. It's honestly what we do in a normal day at school, all right? So, there we go. There's that. If you have questions, guys, please, 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 please reach out. I would love to set up a video chat with you guys or a phone call. We can go through it and make sure y'all got it down, all right? I miss you guys. Thank you so much for all the work you guys are doing. Hopefully we can get back to school at some point this year and do some more cool stuff, all right? I miss you all. Be good. Be safe. Wash your hands.